Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Raffi Firhan Aliansyah, and in this video, I will present my my journal that is knowing the customer procurement attributes to optimize of procurement process for Subcanti. And this is the research online. We will start in the introduction, business description, theoretical foundation, methodology, data analysis, and conclusion and recommendation. Okay, we start in the chapter 1 that is introduction. The research introduction is mostly why I start my company Subcanti. That is because of Indonesia fishery is a potential business, and then fish feed has a 70% influence on the fishing business, and there is a change in customer behavior when buying fish feeds. Why the customer behavior is changed? Because due to COVID-19 pandemic, there are several adaptation that must be learned by a company like Subcanti. And this is my problem statement. Start with the Subcanti has finished their final product. So we jump into the next step, that is market penetration. And because of this is a B2B business model, is business to business. I sell my product to the fish cultivator that also sell their fish. So there are several consideration to consider several attributes that must be considered when they are buying fish feed. So in business to business, we call it procurement process. And this research is focused in what attributes that the customer like it to deal with procurement process that Subcanti have. Okay, this is the research question. What attributes can Subcanti improve to create a good procurement process? And then what is the recommendation for Subcanti? And then for the research objective is knowing the procurement process that is convenient for fish cultivator, and then knowing what is the recommendation for Subcanti after knowing the procurement attributes that the user like. Okay, for the scope limitation, I focus in the procurement process favored by fish cultivator in choosing their fish feeds. And then I only limiting my research in Java Island, fish cultivator in Java Island, and focus in attribute what they like, and obviously based on the previous research. And then this is my business, Subcanti. So what is Subcanti? Subcanti is a fish feed company that born because a problem that feels by the fish cultivator that have ammonia gas in their fish pond because of the unorganic material fish feeds. And then the increasing of fish feed price decrease the fish cultivator welfare. So I built Subcanti and make that that the that the fish feed is based on organic material, so it is ammonia free, and then based on the waste, that is chicken carcass waste, so it will decrease the production cost. And for the product already classified as sterile 6 because of product have been successful in the product development but never have been put to the test in the actual world. And then this is our vision and mission company. We focus our vision and mission to have the welfare of the fish cultivator and be the best as the fish feed producer. And then this is our chapter 3. There is strategical foundation. Start with the conceptual framework. There are several variables, that is procurement strategy, procurement planning, procurement performance review, and then the intention to optimize procurement process. That is between them. There is a moderating variable, that is information processing capability. Okay, this is my hypothesis. There are 6 hypotheses. That is, H1 is procurement strategy positively related into intention to optimize. H2 is procurement 4.0 planning is positively related intention to optimize, and then H3 is procurement 4.0 performance review is positively related to optimize the procurement process. And then I also have the moderating variable between the X and Y, that is H4. And H4A is between procurement strategy and intention. HB is between procurement planning and the intention. And then the last is between the procurement performance review and intention. Okay, this is the methodology. In research design, I start this research based on the problem identification, and next step is formulating research question, literature review, conceptual framework, based methodology, data collection, data analysis, and conclusion and recommendation. For the respondent profile, I choose the respondent must be a fish cultivator in Java Island, and I also ask their socio-demographic and behavior. Okay, for the minimum sample size is based on the R square. This is based on the Hare et al. Book. That is because of my R square is 0.4, and then significant level is 5%, and the maximum number is 6. Therefore, the need minimum sample is 48. Okay, we jump into the data analysis. In the data analysis, there are several requirements that must be accepted. That is, start with convergent validity. That is, the outlining must be above than 0.5. That is accepted. Discriminant validity with Fornell Lakers. That is accepted. Internal consistent reliability accepted. Multi-collinearity test and accepted. R square, that is my R square is 0.4, that is accepted, and my Q square is 0.2 and accepted. Okay, this is the hypothesis result. This research is based is due with the PLS SEM method, and I use Smart PLS to do this. And then based on the Smart PLS, this is the result of the hypothesis where all of the moderating variable, all of the H4 is rejected, and only two variable that accepted, that is H1 and H3, that is procurement strategy into intention, and then procurement performance review into intention is accepted. Okay, that is the result, and we jump into the conclusion and recommendation. For the conclusion, we focus in the research question, what attributes can Sapkati improve to create a good procurement process? Because there are two hypotheses that accepted. So we Sapkanti must focus in procurement strategy and procurement performance review. That Sapkanti must focus in the all of the operational variable that that be the question in the questionnaire for the fish cultivator. Okay, this is the second research question. What is the recommendation for Sapkanti? Sapkanti must analyze every operational variable that I have been said in the slide before. Operational variable in the research, in the procurement strategy and procurement performance review, because these two variable is accepted, and then analyze the majority of fish farmer from their social demographic and behavior question that I already described in the chapter 4. Okay, for the future research, the all of the moderating variable is declined because the original sample is below is negative, which is the hypothesis said is positive, so it is declined. So for the future research, I must know, is this negative impact can be calculated if we decrease the information processing capability variable, is the intention to optimize, it will increase the intention to optimize or not. That is for the future research. Okay, maybe that's all for my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.